Does your maintenance team waste hours manually searching for parts? Is a lack of coordination with operations to blame for scheduling maintenance based production downtime only to discover parts are not in stock? Does a constant re-prioritization of work and a painfully manual process result in poor inventory management? Improve the coordination between maintenance and operations with Parts Pro from Asset Management Solutions. Parts Pro from AMS stands for Parts, Availability, and Readiness to Schedule. Parts Pro automatically evaluates your work orders every single night, determining the following: which work orders have priority, what parts you'll need, when you'll need them, and if they're in stock. Then it intelligently allocates stocked parts to work orders according to priority so they are ready when you need them. With Parts Pro from AMS, everything is handled automatically, and the pieces simply fall into place. Help your team plan with confidence and save significant time, money, and frustration with Parts Pro from AMS. Are you ready to see it in action? Schedule a free demo with our team and see for yourself how AMS helps to maximize your existing JD Edwards EnterpriseOne. We look forward to hearing from you.